twist, turn, and bend. What we're talking about are body mechanics, the way your body moves, used to develop power, to get out of the way, to stay on balance. Okay, I took the middle arm of the wooden dummy out. Just take the peg out, pull it out, put it aside. I need the space under the wooden dummy to bend and turn, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. You can do these drills anyway. You can stand square, you can form a lead, it doesn't matter. I'll demonstrate first. I'll form a lead first. I'll just show you what boxers call bobbing and weaving. It's just twisting and turning, then bending your knees, and then turning back while you're under the arms. Bobbing and weaving. Bobbing and weaving. Notice where my hands are when I do this. I'm not doing it like this. Okay, I want to practice good form, always good form, keeping my hands up as I bob and I weave. Standing square, you can do it. I'll go the other way. Bob and weave. You just want to return to your square position before you start a new one, and just pause a moment, redistribute your weight, go the other way, hands are up. Okay, I'm not weaving all the way down here. I just need to clear this. Okay, so after a while you'll get a feel for how far you need to turn and twist and bend. Okay, another drill would be twisting and turning your head, and you'll use one of the arms as a reference to how much you will turn your head. If this maybe is an attack and I want to move my head out of the way, I'll twist it and I'll turn my hips. Okay, you can see it more clearly if I just add a couple of touches to it. Okay, I can go on this side as well. Okay, you might want to practice another mechanical drill. In this case, I will lock my arm into my body and try and touch or reach the body without extending my arm, just by twisting my body. That's a good example of body mechanics. You can see the power that you can generate just by twisting. See how I made it a little interesting? I come up on this turn, in on that one. Okay, just basic body mechanics.